guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but I am back. I am Britney Louise. We are talking about the new Nudes palette today. I've got some explaining to do because I've been gone since July, but we're gonna talk about that in the video, so go ahead, stay tuned. I'm not even gonna keep you guys waiting for this. My look is fly and y'all need to see this, okay? So before we get started, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, guys. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe right now because you're gonna enjoy this video. Okay, I got a lot to talk about, I got a lot to say, and I'm gonna get it done in a few minutes just for you. Just a few minutes of your time, of your precious, wonderful time. You guys are going to enjoy this video with me. When you are done, share it now so that you don't forget to do it. Just go ahead and do it, all right? So let's go ahead, let's get started with the video. While I am getting ready to dang. Let's address some elephants in the room. Okay, where the heck have you been, Britney? Let's start with that big one. And for my foundation, I'm using NARS in the color New Orleans. Let's get this out the way because I just want to get to the fun stuff. Okay, so big elephant addressed in the room because you know I get off track. If you have been following me, especially since this summer, you already know that, as a reminder, because I'm sure everybody watches so many YouTubers, but on this channel, baby girl was getting married, okay? I had to do a whole disappearing act, y'all. A whole disappearing act. And I am sorry. I am back, though. And I have so much to share with you guys. Like, I finally had my wedding on September 30th. I'm using Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in the color Maple under my eyes. My husband and I were so stinking exhausted, and I was like, you know what, let me get us settled. Let me get us, you know, let's get settled. Let's get, you know, our married faces on for a while. I'm going to use my Laura Mercier medium deep translucent powder to set my concealer under my eyes. I wanted to try that, I want to try the glow version of this. I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty matchstick in the color Espresso to bring some warmth back to my face. Now we are going to get into the moment we've all been waiting for. The Huda Beauty new Nudes palette. It is $65 US. $65. Comes with a mirror and a banner. Comes with her insert of herself again. So, you know. Yeah. She loves herself, okay? That's all that matters. As long as you love yourself, boo, that's all that matters. So, let's get into the look I'm going to do because, again, girl, I gotta go. So, my skin looks real pretty. So, I'm actually going to use everything that I can in this palette. I'm going to use as many colors as I can on my face. So I'm going to start with her concealed color, and I'm just going to use my flathead concealer brush to prep my eyes. It feels very creamy. It doesn't feel like sticky or anything. I think I'm going to actually start off with Raw right here. I think I'm going to start off with Raw and put it in my... Ooh. Hello, Raw. I'm gonna put that in my crease corner. I don't know how it's resonating on camera, but in person, it's really, it's pretty opaque. I'm assuming that these are powder pressed because fallout is real. I'm gonna go in with the color Lace right here, this nice little lavender. I'm gonna see what I can get from that. And my egg casserole is done. But that lace, y'all, is pretty. Oh, I really like this lace. I'm gonna see what Love Bite looks like. Ooh, Love Bite is fire. I think since I have lace on the sides, I'm going to go into the Pearl Daydream. Okay, let me try with my finger. I also kind of want to see what Infatuated looks like here. I don't know how this is gonna stick. Let's see if it just sticks. Y'all gonna see everything at this palette. I just used the Fly Liner by Fenty Beauty, one of my favorite liners. Now for my lashes, I'm gonna use the Sephora times Lily lashes in Rome. Just an FYI, I absolutely have fallen in love with Lily lashes. I've had these same lashes since my wedding. Okay, so some things happened in like 2.5 seconds to you. We've got eyelashes on. And now we are going to head home, bring it home, and finish out the bottom lash. I just want to smoke it just a little bit with Love Bite. Okay, Love Bite is making this come to life on the bottom. I'm going to finish out this face. I'm actually going to use an OG highlighter. I'm going to use my Becca highlighter, shimmering skin perfector, pressed in the blushed copper. I don't use that often, but I think it's really pretty, especially in the fall season. Just for the sake of using it still, I'm going to go, of using the palette, so I think I'm going to go in and use Crave as a highlight. It presses a lot better into the skin when you use your finger. You can really tell on the lips. I'm going to use Kinky as a blush today because I didn't really put on a blush. We're going to use Kinky as a blush. Oh yeah, that is really pretty. And it looks really pretty with this Becca bronze mixed with it. Oh, that's pretty. For my lips, I'm going to use Elson. Hopefully I'm not messing that up. I'm going to use Elson from the Pat McGrath Holiday Mini Lip Trio. That's so much better. So, in the spirit of the holidays, this is a beautiful holiday look. Nothing is nude about this look at all, not even the eyes. It's very fall. This is the finished look with a beautiful bold red lip. I am going to actually switch my lip as well to kind of mute the color down. I'm going to use my Bite lip wipe. OG color. And all I did was mute my stained red lips. But the color it made was really pretty. This is a satin lip from MAC, and it's the exclusive event. And I'm going to add a little gloss in the center so that it don't look so dang on dry. I went over my lips with Parfait. It is a mini Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. So this is my finished look. The new Nude Huda Beauty palette. I like it overall. Again, like I said, ain't nothing. The palette itself is nude. There are some neutral colors in this palette, so that's great. But on my skin tone, it's just purple and pink with some rose gold. It's really pretty though. Like, I mean, I'm gonna keep it. I love this palette. I don't care what it's called. I like the palette itself. These colors look real radiant and pretty on my skin tone. Like, I really wish you could see it in person. The whole, like, it's so attractive. The colors are attractive on as it is in the palette. I mean, it is just so attractive. The color, the names of these colors are so sexy. Bear, Crave, Play, Fantasy, Love Bite, Spanked, Lace, Daydream, Tickle, Excite, Infatuated, Kinky, Concealed, Secret, Tease, Raw, you nasty, Charmed, and Teddy. I'm gonna swatch a few of the mattes. Bear, Love Bite, and then Spanked. So that's what that looks like on the back of my arm. Then let's see, what else am I gonna swatch? This is Tickle. This is Lace. I love Lace, it is so pretty. And then this one is Kinky. That shimmer is really pretty. And that's what's also on my cheeks. Charmed, Daydream, Crave, and then Fantasy. Oh, that is blindingly pretty. Infatuated, Excite. Stinking gorgeous. So in a nutshell, this is the new Nude palette by Huda Beauty, and I hope you enjoy getting ready with me, and I hope you enjoyed my mini review on this palette. I loved my finished look. I loved working with all of the pearls, the glitter. I really liked working with it. It wasn't hard to do. The concealer in here, again, that will be another concern. It's gonna dry out. And then, like, I like concealers in a tube because I could just see this concealer getting really gunky. And I think when I was holding the palette up earlier, you could like see that it was getting like really gross. So I have to wipe out that concealer spot a lot, and that's gross. Like, imagine all the germs that's collecting in your concealer spot. So that doesn't excite me. I'd rather stick to using concealers, like using a concealer from my tube, or using a eyeshadow base in a tube. Thank you guys for sticking around with me this long, waiting on my return. I am back, you guys. I'm not going anywhere. Again, we had to get this wedding out the way, and I also had to be married for a while. So I had to be ghost for a while. But I am back, and I hope you guys enjoyed my review. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of the overall new Nude palette anyway. Are you going to buy it? Are you going to try it? What are you gonna do? What are your thoughts down below? Be looking out for our wedding video. It will be up this Saturday. I cannot wait to get it to you guys so that you guys can share our special day with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and snatch and hit and grab and bang on that bell so that you guys can get notifications when I post videos. Okay? Alright? Alright? You are gonna subscribe to my channel because you are so in love with my brilliant personality, right? Oh my god, it's a brilliant personality. Alright guys, I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.